Willie, would you like a cup of tea? Yo, chill, bro. What the fuck, man? I don't drink tea, bro. I drink coffee, bro. Man, bro. Man, bro. Oh, you drink coffee. That's so you. Because, coffee is for losers. What the fuck? What's your problem, man? Ma. What do you think, Kimashita? Tea or coffee? Yamashita, come on. You must love coffee. Yes, I like sushi. Oh, it was so stupid of me to ask you. Don't worry, man. People can make mistakes. Yamashita, we're asking you which you like better, coffee or tea. はい。コーラ